Cloud Farm Wallet Withdrawal is getting attention because the platform appears to offer users a way to collect rewards and supposedly cash them out through Vest. But before trusting it, there are some important things you should know. The real question is whether this platform can actually be trusted with your time, wallet information, and expected payments. The website, Cloud Miniap, a site, promotes an earning system where users can complete advertising-related tasks, accumulate a balance, and enter a STBEP wallet address for withdrawals. According to the site, users become eligible for withdrawal after reaching a specific minimum amount. That may sound simple, but having an earning dashboard and withdrawal option doesn't prove that the money will actually arrive. Now let's examine the independent trust signals. Scam detector gives Cloud Miniap site only 16 bit out of 100, which is an extremely low score. Find the scam rates the website at 41, which is also a weak trust signal. Neither result gives much reason to feel confident about the platform. Trustpilot provides even less reassurance. The profile currently displays a nulla rating with 0 reviews, including no reviews from the previous 12 months. This doesn't automatically prove that Cloud Farm is fraudulent, but it means there isn't useful Trustpilot history available to independently confirm successful withdrawals or valuable user experiences. And this is where you need to be particularly careful. A number shown inside an earning account isn't the same thing as cryptocurrency actually arriving in your wallet. Until a withdrawal has been completed on-chain and independently verified, you shouldn't consider the balance displayed on the website to be guaranteed money. Never send funds, pay an activation fee, or deposit cryptocurrency simply because the platform claims your withdrawal is pending. These requests should always be treated cautiously. So, is Cloud Farm wallet withdrawal legitimate or a scam? Based on the information available, I can verify it as a trustworthy earning service. The extremely low scam detector rating, weak find the scam score, absence of Trustpilot reviews, and limited independent withdrawal evidence create a high-risk picture. My verdict is to treat Cloud Farm wallet withdrawal as questionable and unverified, rather than an established legitimate platform. If you're already using it, don't deposit money or unnecessarily provide sensitive information. And if you receive a withdrawal, check the transaction directly on the blockchain before assuming the platform is consistently paying users. Before trusting any online earning website, research its independent reviews, domain history, company information, and genuine withdrawal evidence. A balance can easily appear on a screen. A verified payment is what really counts.